This tutorial will cover packaging the program as an executable file, making it easier to open and transfer between computers. If you are working from your personal computer rather than a university computer with a VR headset, this will allow you to transfer it to a next-level computer with a VR headset to test. The first step is to make an escape button so you can close the application from within. To do this, we're going to script a simple quit function. Click on the arrow next to Blueprints and select Open Level Blueprint. This will open the Level Blueprint editor, which is very similar to the material editor. First thing we're going to do is right-click on the blueprint and type Event Escape and select the Keyboard Escape node. Next, we are going to drag from the pressed output node and release, and type Quit Game, and select the Quit Game function. What we have done here is told the game that when the escape key is pressed, that we want to quit the game. Now we can compile, save, and exit the Level Blueprint editor. The next step is to adjust the project settings. This will ensure that when the file is launched that it opens correctly. To open the project settings, click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen, select Project Settings, and this will open the Project Settings window. I'm just going to go ahead and maximize this. Alright, from here you can select a project name in the project name box. I'm just going to change mine to Tutorial. The next step is to scroll down and make sure that Start in VR is ticked. Then we're going to go to the left-hand side menu and select Maps and Mode, and make sure that the game default map is set to NextLab VR, or whatever you have called your level that you've been working in. Next, we're going to click on Supported Platforms and make sure that Windows is ticked. That's all the settings that we need to change, so we're just going to close the Project Settings window. Then we're going to go to File, Save All. Now we're going to package our file. To package it, go to File, Package Project, Windows, then Windows 64-bit. Next, choose a folder to package your project to. I'm just going to navigate back to my tutorial folder that I've been working from. Create a new folder. I'm just going to call mine Package Tutorial. And then click Select Folder. Once you select a folder, the project will begin to package. You can see this down in the bottom right-hand corner. Depending on the size of your project, the time it takes can vary from minutes to hours. Essentially, this step is taking a level and creating an application. Once it has packaged, your application will now be located in the folder we created. If an error occurred, you can use the output log to identify the error. To view the output log, go to Window, Developer Tools, and then Output Log. This should add an Output Log tab to the content browser. Click that. Any error that occurred should be shown highlighted in red. The Unreal Engine forums are the best place to find answers to errors here, as there can be many reasons why an error has occurred. To transfer your application, let's open the package location. You should see a folder named Windows No Editor. This is the folder that you'll need to copy to other computers to run your application. You can also edit the name of this folder safely. I'm just going to call mine Tutorial. To run the application, open the No Editor folder and double-click on the Tutorial exe. If you are on a computer with Steam and a VR headset installed, this should open directly to the VR headset. Now we know how to take a file from Rhino, optimize it in 3ds Max, and create a basic VR experience in Unreal Engine. Keep exploring and building on these fundamentals to create more and more engaging experiences. Remember to use the learning resources in the Epic Games Launcher.